this is the African queen. So as the African queen that I am, I'm going to slay this look now, and you guys are going to watch me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this bantu knots. I mean, come on, take a look at me. This is the African queen you're looking at here. Anywho, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look. This is the first time I'm trying this out. I definitely love it. This is the best outfit, I believe, to rock this hair with. So if you're interested, then you want to keep on watching. I'm going to take you guys on the step-by-step process. Right now I am starting off with like freshly washed hair. I'm going to show you guys how I prep my hair, part the hair, every single thing. So this is actually the inspiration for this look. So I saw this picture online and I was just like, I have to recreate this. And the thing about this look is that it's not like the regular bantu knots which I usually see like everywhere. You know, this one is like braids, but you have the braids in a knot. I don't know how to explain it, but basically that's it. So yeah, I'm going to start off with my hair, which is obviously, so yeah, this is definitely what we're going to be working with. Now the first thing which I'm going to be using is my leave-in conditioner. I use this in almost all my videos, even not all my hair videos, honestly, because it's, I don't know, it just does the job for me. So I'm going to be using this to just prep my hair a little bit, or maybe not a little bit, you know. So you can never go wrong with leave-in conditioners, so use as much as you can. It's going to make the whole process easy for you. I'm going to actually use some of my oils. This is the Kinky Nigerian Curls oil. It has hemp oil, argan oil, and jojoba oil. This is what it looks like. This is like the only oil I have currently, and as well as my JBCO. So yeah, I'm just going to apply that, and I believe we are good to go. So to part my hair, I'm going to be using rubber bands. So these are the rubber bands which I'm going to be using, and they are actually like tangle free. Like, just get a couple of these onto my cover just right here, if you guys understand what I'm saying. Okay, so I'm just going to get a couple of that to use for my hair, to part my hair, and then some of that oil just so that my hair doesn't break once I am using it, just to be on the safe side. So I'm going to add some of the oil to that so that it's easy to just slide into your hair. You get what I'm saying? Make sure that the oil goes around the rubber bands. Very easy to slide into your hair, and your hair doesn't break in the process. So yeah, to be on the safe side, do this. I'm going to go ahead to part. Now the thing with this is I actually don't know how to go about this parting, because I really want this to go well. So let's just get the triangle from like the middle and go this way. Okay, so that is one. I want it to be very precise, so I'm just going to get this right here. I want this very, very precise. Okay, and just go straight down and see how that works for us. I want it to have a cut inwards, so not like a straight line right there. There we go. So I'm going to be using my Shine and Jam. Shine and Jam doesn't exactly give you white flakes that you usually get from edge controls, so I've used it once. Although I didn't have that hairstyle in for such a long time, it didn't give me those white flakes, but we're going to try it again this time around. This is what it looks like actually. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, consistency is thick, it's not going to come off, so we're going to use this. Okay, just a little bit of that, and just try to secure this. So basically I'm just going to try to detangle this part. I like to detangle with my fingers. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I can as well go in with some comb and see how that works for us, just to make sure that this is well detangled basically. So I'm going to be using 2 rubber bands to, you know, secure this, not one. I don't want any disappointments if it cuts or something, so I think 2 would be good for me. So we just secure this. You can see how this is well laid and it's sleek and all of that, so that's what I'm going for. So we're just going to tie this, right? Yeah, so I'm going to tie this 3 times just so that it is well secured, and that's it. So separate that into 2. Can you guys see that? And just drag. So I'm going to go off camera right now to do the back. I think I'm done with parting my hair. So I'm not sure, guys. I'm really not sure it came out the way I wanted it to come out. Sis, Bantu knots, they're not for the weak if you're doing it on your own. Bantu knots are not for the weak. Like, I am stressed out. I want to sleep. Like, the fact that I have to keep turning my head up and down. Bantu knots are not for the weak. Now I have a comment. You guys know how I talked about using shine and jam and how I use shine and jam. I'm pretty sure you saw me before I left to go do like the remaining part of my hair. Where's the gel? Where is the shine and jam? I can't seem to find it because what? It just melted, like it's gone. It looks like it's oil based. I feel like this does a better job. This is the hair wax which I used to use before. You guys saw when I applied shine and jam. Like, I'm going to put like a before and after clip so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Where's the gel? Where's the shine and jam? It's gone. It's melted. Like, where's the hold? It's not holding my hair at all, and I'm really disappointed because this is just like how many hours later. I can't seem to find the gel, and that's pissing me off, seriously. So this does a better job. My only problem with this is that it's going to give you those white flakes, which I'm not a fan of, and I want to have this in for a couple of weeks. So I think I'm just going to use this to lay my edges when I get to the front. So moving on, I'm going to be using Darling braiding hair. This is the attachment, and this is in the color 1. So guys, I'm actually still going to use the shine and jam to sleek down my own natural hair as I braid. This is like the amount of extensions I'm going to be using. It is thick, I believe this is thick enough to go with my natural hair. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be using, this amount. Can you guys see? It's really thick. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put this on top of this right here. On top of this, my hair is going to act as the third braiding piece. So I'm just going to grab that and then just start braiding my hair. Make sure that it is secure at the beginning of the braid, just so that it doesn't like fall off on its own. So I'm just going to keep braiding. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of my shine and jam now to my hair. guys can see my hair. I don't want my hair to, you know, be out of place in quotes. So apply some shine and jam to your natural hair. We are done with the braids. We're just going to like twist and make this into a knot. Okay. You guys did not tell me that Bantu knots. Hey, what's this pain I'm feeling like this? Oluwa Jesu, send me message. Hey, do not twist this. Let me show you guys. See how it is right now. It's going to be difficult to, like, don't twist the ends. It's going to be difficult to like put it in. So I'm just going to like twist it again after twisting it, if you guys get what I mean, and send it beneath all of this so that it doesn't show. Okay, not bad, but it hurts seriously. Now this is what we're going to be working with. So I'm just going to drag this again just so that this is well secured. So hey guys, I am currently twisting my hair and I figured out the easiest and the best way to actually twist your hair. So basically you want to twist, don't just twist the hair like that, like anyhow. Twist on each other. Don't twist and take it to like the bottom, just twist on the braid itself. And then when you get to this tinier part, like this twisted part of your braid, you can now take it beneath just so that it hides, but twist on the braid itself. Okay, that way it looks more, how do I explain it now, it looks bulky in quotes. Yeah, you see this slim part, this one is now going to go beneath all that we've been trying to twist on so that it doesn't show. But the bulk of the hair, the part where the hair is thick, where you have like the attachment and it's full and everything, that part is what needs to show because that's the bulk of the hair. So the other part, which is this part now I am holding, needs to go beneath, and that way nobody gets to see it. Okay, so yeah, I just noticed this as I was doing mine and I decided to share with you guys. So yeah, the bulk of the hair is still showing, so like you can't see those tiny sections, like the tail part of my hair, you can't see that part. Even here too, you can see the bulk of the hair is, this part has a little bit of the slim section, but we can leave that. But these ones have the bulk of the hair showing, so that way it looks very nice and very bulky. Sorry you're seeing me halfway, but yeah, it's all for the purpose of the hair. Today we are not focusing on our face, we are focusing on our hair. Okay. I just want to go ahead to trim, but it's everywhere because I didn't trim before knotting the hair. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. So try to trim as you make each braid, just so that it can be smooth in the end. But basically this is what we're working with right now. And yeah, I'm just going to use my styling mousse. I don't want to over trim it. I'm going to use my styling mousse now to just basically pop. Just take a look. This is the finished look of the hair. Let's have like a little family chit chat, okay? Because first things first, nobody told me that bantu knots are the most uncomfortable hairstyle to sleep in. Like, it's been so difficult to sleep, and I'm not even joking. Nobody told me it was going to be painful, although the pain has reduced. But I mean, we're rocking it and it looks amazing, right? I definitely just wanted to say I used 1 pack of the Darling Expression attachment, just 1 pack. I didn't even finish it, so 1 pack is going to be enough for a full head. And remember what I said about the shine and jam? I was really disappointed because right now the hair is not looking as sleek as I want it to be, but we're still going to work with it. It's something that we can work with. I really love how this whole this look is a vibe. Come on. Anyways, I definitely love how this turned out. If you love this look, then let me know down in the comment section. Give this video a like. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. If you want more hair tutorials, then let me know what exact hair tutorial you need, and I'll be more than happy to film this for you. So yeah, that is the end of this video. If this video was helpful, if it was interesting, if you enjoyed this video, then let me know down in the comment section and I'll reply to your comments. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in one of my other videos. So yeah, bye guys.